Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I am headed over to Katie's. I'm leaving our Oak Grove yard right now. It helps when you release the brakes. I'm headed over to Katie's to go to Wabash, our local trailer manufacturing plant, and I've got to winch out a forklift. So it's a 10K forklift. Capacity wise, they said it's buried to the frame, so all the tires are spun down and the loose gravel. It doesn't take much to do in one of those. And they say it weighs anywhere from 15 to 20,000 pounds, so which is very possible. Forklifts are pretty heavy. So we're gonna go. This is one of the ones they use to stack the trailer place that we have in town builds flatbed trailers, and this is one of the forklifts that they use to stack the trailers 3 high. So that's what we are headed to go do right now. So I'll be there in about 30 minutes. What do you know? That's a goofy forklift.
Yeah, piece of junk, but yeah. You driving it? No, I mean, you drive it out there? Oh, yeah. Try, so I gotta get some. Alright, she wants me to know. Yeah, she's like, don't see me fill that tire up over there and get the T's out of there. You ain't got no like that here. Looks like the front tire's starting to go down. Yeah.
She's definitely buried. Looks like I got some good hook points right there. This ground is hard enough. I can back up pretty close. I ought to be able to hook that rear. Maybe put a little bit of a lift on it. What'd you guys say this thing weighs? What'd you say it weighs?
Ooh, what do you think that thing weighs? I think it's got a plate on it.
Probably, what, 15? Big old hunk of metal.
Maybe it's a plate from somewhere. That's there. Unloaded weight 11.7.
11.7, all right. You guys ever had it pulled out before?
Just jerked real hard with a
pineapple
semi truck, about it.
Fair enough. I assume right there in them holes are plenty strong enough.
Yeah.
All right. We'll get this out of the way. Don't tear nothing up with that. This drive tire, those just roll? Or do they all drive?
Drive, ain't they? Yeah, I think the front ones drive.
So I'll probably have to have you kind of help me so I don't tear anything up while it rolls. But I mean, I got more than enough power to just pull it out, but I don't want to tear any motors up trying to just roll it. So, all right, cool. Let me get rigged up and I'm gonna back up closer. So. I don't know if I'm gonna use chain on those, or I could use rim slings. Look at those holes. I think I'll do that. I don't know. I mean, it's not a major job. It's a little bit different. I want to get a little bit of a lift on it to pull that rear tire up out of the hole. Ideally, I'd use one 15-foot chain. Trying to think of what I want to use to rig to it. I'll go with straps. Put 2 lines on it, that way I can control it. These are 5/8 rim slings rated for $18,000 and a basket a piece.
Welcome back to the party.
All right, you got 5 minutes. You're on the clock.
All right.
Let's see what you got.
We can't afford no longer.
No, the last one was my easiest one. Moved it from a parking spot, well, from the driveway to a parking spot.
Hey. This thing may not look like much, but it's heavier than hell.
Yeah, he said empty weight was 11,000 on the placard. So I usually take those with a grain of salt.
Yeah.
That one's always tighter than the rest. You want to jump in it and just put it in reverse, but let it idle. You don't have to give it any throttle or nothing. All right, you ready? You turn that wheel to the right or to your left. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Go ahead and lock it down. You think it'll be able to move from there? It rolled on its own just a second ago. Yeah, you're good. Go ahead and come back. There you go. Yeah, we may just want to keep going straight back because I bet if you turn, you'll end up in the same predicament.
Grab it, just grab it over here.
Yeah, I gotta go this way.
Well, that's fancy, doesn't it? You know the machine more than me.
So you're already here.
Pineapple.
We're good.
When it digs like that, it
Yeah.
burns
Yeah,
its
that'll.
Pineapple.
There you go.
This is
Pineapple.
so
Oh yeah.
you can.
It's only gonna get worse.
Well, we paved our entire parking lot over on that side.
What are they building right there?
Spec building.
Oh, gotcha.
Please, somebody buy it. Please, somebody.
Yeah, that's City of Katie's spec building, I think. I don't know. They may have somebody.
Lined up already? That's a lot of money to be. Man, this.
Yeah,
Building it for a hope and dream.
that's what they do. They did a couple of them up until like that.
Yeah.
They just built them to build them and hope somebody would lease them. That's when.
That's brave.
That's not the arrows we were just at, was it?
Now is not the time to be doing that. All right.
Well, this is a feature 5-minute deadline.
Well, there we go.
4 minutes, 32 seconds.
Like 5 minutes or free or something? Or?
Well, you know, if it would have taken 4 minutes and 50 seconds, it would have been free. But since it took 5 minutes. All right, guys, that was a quick one for today. Forklift's out. It looked like a much bigger deal than it really was. But we got them taken care of. They're happy. We're happy. So we're going to move on to the next job. We'll see what happens. But for now, I'm headed to the shop. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. See you next time. Okay, bye.